expression, which is called a root. A roots, katong mga solutions na present, and after ni magkuha sa quadratic formula, roots represent the x values at which any parabola explicitly given as y equals ax squared plus b x plus c. Kaning ax squared, okay, this is your quadratic term, and bx is your linear term, and c is your constant term which is fixed. Wa siya xx or y. Basta number na siya, whole number. And then, ano yung mga formula? So, yung formula kay negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, kaning mga b, a, ug c, kay mo ni siya ang numbers na present sa given nimo. Ang formula, mura dyan na siya gugma. Mura siya ikaw. Complicated guy. Okay, nako. So, these two are needed for your checking on your quadratic formula. Like, I need you. Yeah. So, negative b over a is your sum formula, and c over a is your product formula. So, kani, needed jud kay ni siya. Para sakto jud siya ba? Di pares mo sayo. Yeah. So, for sum formula, kani siya, ikuha nimo sa given. Nya, ang roots nimo kay i-plus nimo, and if since that answer kay correct na siya. For product formula, ikuha nimo ang c and your a, given na siya, and then ang roots nimo kay imo i-multiply. So, more dyan na siya. The end.
Hello there. I'm the master mathematician Imoto. Oni-chan?
Senpai? Oh! I am the master mathematician, math genius senior senpai, Xavier Jan.
Today, we will be solving. We'll be learning how to solve quadratic formula with the use of quadratic equation. First, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Understand? I want to clarify that first. And then we substitute negative b. B here is negative 19. So put there negative 19, then negative. Plus minus square root b squared. B is negative 19. So you put negative 19 squared. Minus 4 ac. A here is 3. So you put 3. C is 20. So here 20. And then we solve. Negative times negative 19 equals positive 19. Plus minus square root negative 19 squared. Then the answer is 361. Minus 4, the product of 3 and 20. And then it's 60. Over 2 times 3 equals 6. And then we minus 361. Multiply 4 by 60. It's 224 negative. And then we minus 361 minus 240 equals 121. And then the square root of 121 is 11. So the answer here is 19 plus minus 11 over 6. We get the roots. First, x of what? 19 plus 11. We put there over 6. And then 19 plus 11 equals 30. Copy the denominator. Then we simplify. Divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And 6 divided by 6 equals 1. That's for x sub 1. Next would be x sub 2. 19 minus 11. There. Over 6. And then 19 minus 11 equals 8. Copy the denominator. And you simplify it by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And here are your roots. X sub 1 equals 5. And x sub 2 equals 4 over 3. Next will be the checking. Oni-chan!
Senpai?
Oni-chan!
Let's do the checking. Bloody hell. Let's proceed. In checking, we need to know the two different formulas, negative b over a and c over a. Negative b over a, we need to use addition. Let's start with negative b over a. Let's start, shit. B, in B, change B to negative 19, then 3 is A. I am not making any sense. And we all know that negative times negative is equals to positive. So 19, then copy 3 because it's the denominator. So 19 over 3. In order for us to know that 5 and 4 over 3 is correct, add them. 5 plus 4 over 3, then get the LCD. 3 divided by 1 equals to 3 times 5 equals to 15. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1 times 4 is equals to 4. So 15 plus 4 equals to 19. Then copy 3. 19 over 3 is the same as this thingy. In C over A, we need to use multiplication. C over A, C is 20, then A is 3. So 20 over 3. Then multiply them. 15 times 4 over 3. Then 15 times 4 equals to 20. Then copy 3. 1 times 3, so 20 over 3. The same.
Good morning.
Meow.
Today, my name is Aaron Gilbert Castro.
And my name is Elijah Jane Neely.
So this is our formula. Negative b plus minus then this thingy. B squared minus 4ac then over 2a. This is our example. So now in solving, let's do this. Since this is your A, B, and C, you will copy it. So since this is B, negative 8, so you put this, you enclose it, then since this is also B, you also put negative 8. Since this is AC, you'll put your x squared here. Since x squared is 1, you will put here 1. And since it is here C, that's your 15, you also put it here. Then over 2a, then you'll put here 2 times 1. In solving, this will turn into positive. So positive a plus minus this thingy, then you will square your square root. Then you will square your negative 8. You will square your negative 8. Then since after you square it, you'll have 64. It will be positive. This is how it is. Then you will times 4 times 1 equals 4, and 4 times 16 equals 60. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. Then you will minus 64 and 60. So it will be 4 here. Your 8, you'll just copy your 8 and you also just copy your 2. Then you will divide your 4. So 8 plus minus 2 over 2. And that's your answer. Now the roots. There is x1 and x2. Let's start first with plus, since it is on the top part, not the lower part. So, x1, 8 plus 2 over 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10, then over 2. Then you will find its thing here. So it's 5. X squared equals 8 minus 2. Then, yes. It's not x squared but x2, your second root. It will be negative. So 8 minus 2 over 2. Then 6 over 2 is the answer of 8 minus 2. Then you will do this again. Simplify it. These are your simplified thingy. And that's your roots. Now for the checking.
Now for your checking. There are two kinds of formula in checking. Negative b over a and c over a. So first, since b B is negative, you copy negative here, and write B, which is 8 over here. Then your A is 1, copy 1 over here, then it's equals to 8. Then you copy 5, and then 3 equals 8. That's the first formula. This is the same. If the answer is the same, the checking is correct. Now for the second formula is C over A. You copy C, which is 15, and A 1 equals 15. Then you times 5 and 3 is equals to 15. So that is how you check your quadratic formula.
Wow. Are you going to prom with me?
Sorry, no. This is only for grades.
I don't care.
Fine, what else?
Yes.
Siya, doon babae, mas taas. Mas taas na babae.
Oh. Mas lumay malaki. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the next episode.
See you next episode.